What is up, guys? It's your boy No Risk No a Premium back with another episode of the ESF Future 2 minute drill. I guess that's what we're rolling with. All right. Anyway, look, guys, what's happening here? I kind of waited. I was actually started recording this about an hour ago. Then I said, well, let's see. Sorry, my last runner stop got hit. I went short at the open there when we didn't get through and we didn't gap up. But now it's kind of running back. Anyway, still secured a very nice profit. I think I caught, I don't even know how many points, however much 800 points is. So, or $800 is. Anyway, very nice trade to start. Now let's see if it wants to break through or reject this level. Why is this level so important? I mean, let's just draw this line. Okay, just look how important this line is, right? Is this line straight? Why is it not straight? Hold on. That looks pretty decently straight. Right there. Okay. Why is it not full straight? Okay. So look, zoom out real quick. You can see how big this level's been, right? This has been a massive level, right? All the way back to over here. So, edit it, make it really, is it trend line. Okay, make it fucking super thick, put it as red. See, as long as we do not get through that line, okay, if we don't get through that line, okay, because dating all the way back, let's take a peek, right? I mean, look how far back you could. Why is my computer running astronomically like dinosaur slow? All right, so look, I mean, even coming back all the way to this area, what is this, May, right? You can see how big it was support, it was resistance, it was support, it was resistance, it was support. Now we're finally getting a back test of it, right? So for me, it kind of appears, right, that it appears that we could be seeing a possible fake out here because everybody and their mom had this same chart pattern drawn. Everyone and their mom, same pattern drawn, right? And everybody's saying, oh, we're going to get a breakout here, but we didn't even close above that huge 39.25 level. So that tells me what? We could potentially come down and see, right, a back test of the 3880 to 3870s level, right, where this 5 MA is, right? So plan for the overnight session if we do not get up and through this 39.25, and this goes for the week too. Okay, this goes for the week. If we do not get through this level here, okay, we do not get through the level, okay, assume we will come back and fall into the range. Now, why is that important? Well, we have some economic data that is very important. Yeah, some stuff up here, but everybody's waiting for this motherfucker right here. So if they're waiting for that, and we know they're waiting for that, the market is likely going to wait for that if we don't get through this level in the Globex Open. Now, we could easily back test the breakout area where we couldn't get through the 3880s area, okay, and then get through it overnight while we are tucked away sleeping like some beautiful children we are, right? We could easily do that. Okay, we could easily do that. So you'll want to look for that, right, in this open. You'll want to see, do we maybe, okay, got a little wick up here, didn't close above a level. Let's see, do we just go ahead and jump down then, right? Do we jump down and maybe come back into this 3900 level for a test? Very possible. Okay. So let's see, right? I'm game for anything. Okay, but we're looking at 39.25, major level. Let's see what happens. Okay, so plan for this week is this. 39.25 is going to be that pivot. Above it, we get long. And we get long to where? 39.50, 39.64, 4,000 above that. Above 4,000, you're going to see 40, 40, 40, 60, 40, 80. Okay, and then 4,100. I think the high was 4,110. Okay, but it's very well we could not see any of those levels until CPI data comes out on Thursday. Don't forget it. The banks do report this week. You want to pay attention to that. But really, what you should do is just draw a huge box right here. Okay, just like that. And just be like, until we break out of this box, we're just going to stay in the same range, chop people up. All right, so 39.25 is going to be our pivot for this week. Above it, break and hold above, preferably a daily hold, daily close if we want to close up near it. If we break through it in the morning and just run and we don't dip back out within the hour, really, you would think, I'd say go ahead, get long and get strong, baby. Go to 39.50, 39.64 is where I'd be looking after that. Okay, if we break back into the range, you'll want to see, do we get a play back down to 39.70 to 80 as a possible back test? Okay, peek at the 30-minute here. I like this chart a little bit more. As you can see, right, you can see this 3,900 level could be an easy back test area. 39.85 is definitely going to be some support, but if we back test where we were recent resistance and it becomes support, it's about 38.75, 76, 78 area. I would definitely like a long. I favor a long here at 39.75 over 39.85, but you can play a bounce for a few points if you're just looking to scalp on the overnight action here at 39.85, 38.85, and this is 38.75. Okay, love both of those levels. If that fails, we're definitely going to be heading down to 38.50 below there. Okay, as we can see it here, 38.50 was a level. Okay, under there, 38.30. I call it 38.25 now. Under there, 38.03. Under there, zoom it out so everybody can see it. Okay, under this 38.03 to 10 area, you're going to be looking at 37.88, and under 37.88, 37.60 definitely would be a long, and then 37.08 would definitely be a long as well. I would fade 38. I like 38.50 to 64. I like fading that area. Guys, it's a wide range, but just be a trader and be reactionary in those levels. Okay. In those levels, guys. That's all I really got for you. Really simple this week. Lots of banks earnings this week. Banks, XLF is the third largest weighted sector of SPY. ES is the S&P 500 futures, right? That is just the index of the ETF, right? So it all flows together. You should be paying attention. The banks are looking like they're gearing up for a possible short. It's looking like so far in this Globex Open, we're getting a fake breakout from Friday's close. Do we get a back test of some levels down below? Very, very, very possible. Okay, very possible. So guys, look real quick. 38.75, I like that more. 38.50, 38.25, 38.03. Under there, 37.88, 37.55, 37.08. Okay, 37.55 area, that's a long. 37.08, that's going to be a long as well. Guys, look to fade 39.50 to a 39.64 if we get there. Okay, if we get there. All right, guys, that's all I got. Wake up early, don't do anything stupid, and we'll see you bright and early. Peace.